All right, seventh grade ELA. This is subject, subject, verb for our bell work for week 9. All right, seventh grade, to continue with our bell work, we are going to be going through and asking ourselves the same questions we've been doing. Does it begin with a capital? Does it have any punctuation? Does it make sense? Does it have what's the subject? What's the verb? Prepositional phrase, infinitive phrase. Now, this time they're going to throw some kickers in the fact that there are going to be two subjects or more, two or more. We'll say it that way, two or more subjects. So, for example, if you look at sentence number 1, Sophie and Blaze ran through the woods. It begins with a capital letter. It does not have in punctuation, so I'm going to put a period and I'm going to circle it. It makes sense. I have Sophie and Blaze. Those are my two subjects. And they ran, which is my verb. Then I have through the woods, which is a prepositional phrase. So I'm looking for two, quote, or more subjects. Sentence number 2, the bear and the cub hid in the tree. Well, it does not begin with a capital, so I'm going to put a capital. The bear and the cub hid in the tree. It has in punctuation. It makes sense. Bear and cub are subjects. Hid is my verb. In the tree is a preposition. Make that look more like a P. All right. The table and lamp are beside the sofa. It begins with a capital. It needs in punctuation. It makes sense. Table, lamp are my subjects. Are is my verb. Beside the sofa is the preposition. So that's what you're going. Look at number 4. We have Samuel and Manny hope to visit Tim soon. Well, it does not begin with a capital, so I'm going to do that. It has in punctuation. It makes sense. Now, Samuel is my subject. Manny is my subject. Now, to visit is an infinitive. Remember the word to followed by action verb makes it an infinitive phrase. So this case, hope is my verb. And then Tim and soon are parts of the speech that we haven't gotten to yet. So you're going to do number 5, and then you will finish the rest of this bell work for the week. And then you're going to submit it to me through Canvas when finished. Good luck and have fun.